Hey folks, I'm Rob.
And I'm Nathan.
And we are
Two Guys in a Ride.
And today we are at the Shed in beautiful Warroad, Minnesota.
Now the Shed is a private collection of 90 plus classic and unique cars that's open to the public and owned by Bob Marvin. And if you want to visit, we've listed their contact information in the description below the video. Well, what do you say, Rob?
Oh, I say,
let's go for a ride. What year?
67.
Take this car in a heartbeat. We didn't want air. I'd like to get that from the outside if you could do it. I can overlay the song, Just Some Good Old Boys. So nice.
Yeah. It's just got that feeling to it.
It's solid.
Yep.
Yeah.
called the trading post back in the day. It was an actual log cabin.
Okay.
And I can't remember what year it was, but a tornado come through Warroad and it wound up in the lake.
Oh, really? Holy schmoly.
A piece of plywood from it wound up in the roof of the restaurant there like an axe.
Oh, wow.
Tipped over a couple of our trailers full of windows. Yeah, and that's the new casino over there.
Did this come with air conditioning?
No. It says air, but that's just ventilation.
Okay. Same with these little pull knobs, little ventilation.
Yeah.
Interesting glove compartment.
Yeah. Open it up and see how big it is. It's pretty deep.
It's very deep. Wow. They use the whole space.
So that's a wrap on another fantastic vehicle, and we really want to say thank you to the great folks here at the Shed in Warroad, Minnesota. And this is Rick and this is Doug. You saw them in their videos. And of course the owner, who's not here right now, but we do want to give a shout out to Bob Marvin as well. But before we leave you, make sure to leave a comment below, click that subscribe button, and
Ring that bell notification so you never miss one of our videos.
that's it. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Rick, Doug, and me. We'll cut that part out.
Yes, we will.
I always try.
Hey.